Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable tilt gestures on your Corsair M65 RGB Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and tap on your mouse in the iCUE. Here, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and simply go to the gestures. Here we have gestures. As you guys can see, we got the tilts. Now you can record the tilts. You can also check how it works. You can see that the tilting is here. You can see that they are changing in an app depending on what I do. And as you guys can see, I tilted back and to the left, and it's right here now, forward and right. It all works. So how do we enable it? We can allow multiple tilts here, and if we want to record our tilts, we can just go over and we need to press those keys on a keyboard. So as you guys can see, whenever I go for 100 degrees, I'll choose 90. We're gonna click it, and as you guys can see, it will apply. So as you guys can see, this is how it looks like. So now we're gonna just tilt it to the left. 80, we got it, and 80 is basically the limit. Now let's do the forward tilt of let's quickly start it again. Let's do the forward tilt of 10, so it's not too much, and backward tilt of, for example, 20. As you guys can see, it works just fine. Now we can rotate our mouse like this, and it works. So that's how you guys can do it. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.